Hello students, welcome back to Triangles and its Properties Part 3. In previous video we had seen about angles and property of a triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle, and we had completed exercise 6.3. Also we had started exercise 6.4 and completed up to question number 1. And in previous video I had given some homework questions. Now I am attaching the solutions for that. You just check out your answers. Now let's start from question number 2 of exercise 6.4. Question number 2 of exercise 6.4. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. Is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Second subdivision, OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Third subdivision, OR plus OP is greater than RP. Solution. In a triangle PQR, we are asked to take any point O on the interior of a triangle such that we had taken like this, and first subdivision we have to check whether OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. So solution is yes. In triangle OPQ, you can see OP and OQ or any two sides of the triangle that should be greater than the third side PQ. Since we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side such that OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Second subdivision, S in a triangle OQR, we have OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Since sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, here OQ and OR are any two sides of a triangle, and that must be greater than the third side QR. Third subdivision, S in triangle OPR, we have OP and OR as the two sides, and that will be greater than the third side PR, since sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, so that OR plus OP is greater than RP. Question number 3. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. So in this question, AM is a median of a triangle ABC, and we have to check AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM or not. Solution. Here ABC is a triangle in which AM is a median. Now consider the first triangle ABM, in which we have AB plus BM are the two sides of a triangle, and that will be greater than the third side AM, since sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So consider this as first inequality. Now consider another triangle, that is triangle AMC. In that we have AC plus CM is greater than AM. Here AC and CM are the two sides of a triangle, and that will be greater than the third side AM, since sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So consider this as second inequality. Now we have to add both the inequalities by separately the LHS and the RHS. So by adding we got AB plus AC plus BM plus CM is greater than 2 times of AM. Now AB plus AC, here BM plus CM will together forms BC, so that we got AB plus AC plus BC is greater than 2AM. Now according to the question, we have AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times of AM. That is what we want to prove. Question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral means any four-sided closed figure is called a quadrilateral. in which we have to prove AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Here AB, BC, CD and DA are the sides of the quadrilateral and AC and BD represents its diagonals. So first consider triangle ABC in which we have AB plus BC, that are two sides of a triangle that should be greater than the third side AC, since sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So consider as the first inequality. Now consider another triangle, that is triangle BDC. In that BC and CD are the two sides of a triangle and that will be greater than the third side BD, such that we have BC plus CD is greater than BD, which is the second inequality. Now consider the another triangle, that is triangle ADC. In that we have CD plus DA is greater than AC. Take this as third inequality. Now finally consider the triangle DAB. In that we have DA plus AB is greater than BD. Take it as fourth inequality. Now adding four inequalities we got AB plus BC plus BC plus CD plus CD plus DA plus DA plus AB is greater than AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. Now in LHS we are grouping and we got 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CD plus 2DA, and in RHS also 2AC plus 2BD, and thus we got 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CD plus 2DA is greater than 2AC plus 2BD. In both LHS and RHS we are taking 2 commonly outside and we got 2 times of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2 times of AC plus BD. Now dividing with 2 on both the sides we got AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD, which is the required result that we want to prove. Question number 5. ABCD is a quadrilateral is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times of AC plus BD. Solution. Consider the triangle AOB. In that we have AB is less than AO plus BO. Since any side of a triangle is less than the sum of other two sides. So consider this as first inequality, and consider the another triangle BOC. In that we have BC is less than BO plus CO. Since BC is the one side and BO and CO are the two sides of a triangle, and any side of a triangle is less than the sum of other two sides, thus we got BC is less than BO plus CO. Consider as second inequality. Now consider the triangle COD. In that we have CD is less than CO plus DO. Take it as third inequality. Now consider the triangle AOD. In that we have DA is less than DO plus AO. Take it as fourth inequality. By adding 4 inequalities we got AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than AO plus BO plus BO plus CO plus CO plus DO plus DO plus AO. Now AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times of AO plus 2 times of BO plus 2 times of CO plus 2 times of DO. In RHS we are taking 2 as commonly outside and we got AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times of AO plus BO plus CO plus DO. Now in RHS we are grouping and we got 2 times of AO plus CO plus BO plus DO. Now in the figure you can see AO plus CO will makes AC and BO plus DO will makes BD, such that we got AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times of AC plus BD. Question number 6. The length of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what measures should the length of the third side fall? Solution. Firstly, consider the sum of two sides, that is 12 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, which is equal to 27 centimeter. And again consider the difference of the two given sides, that is 15 centimeter minus 12 centimeter, which is equal to 3 centimeter. Hence, the measure of the third side should fall between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Which means the length of the third side should lies in between 3 and 27. It should not be greater than 27 centimeter. If it is greater means then it will not satisfy the condition that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So with this our exercise 6.4 is over. So in today's class we had started from question number 2 of exercise 6.4 and we had completed that exercise. In next video we will start the another exercise. Thank you children.